Hi, in this lecture, we'll be looking at the wing assembly of the UAV. Here, you can see all the parts you'll need, the left and right wing sections, along with the carbon tubes and carbon sheets. Start by inserting the carbon tube into one half of the wing, as shown in the video. Then, attach the second wing half to form a subassembly and check that the parts fit properly. Next, apply some hot glue at the wing roots to bond the two parts together. Hold them in place to ensure a proper connection. After that, remove any excess glue. Now, take the two carbon sheets and insert them underneath the wing in the designated slots, as shown in the video. Before inserting them fully, apply some hot glue to secure them in place. Once inserted, glue them down with hot glue. The next step is to use the plywood parts W1 and W2. Apply glue between them to bond them together, as shown in the video. After that, glue the bonded piece to the front underside of the wing. This part is where the wing will be attached to the fuselage, and the plywood is added to make that area stronger and more durable. Next, take part W2 and glue it to the top of the wing using hot glue, as shown in the video. This piece will also add structural integrity, especially since we'll be using screws in later lectures to secure the wing to the fuselage. After assembling the wing, the next step is to attach the servos. At this point, you'll need the two spare servos, a servo tester, an electronic speed controller, and a LiPo battery. Start by placing the first servo underneath the wing in the designated slot, as shown in the video, just to ensure it fits properly. The next important step is to attach the servo arm at the servo's neutral position. To do this, you'll need the servo tester. Simply connect the battery to the ESC and use the 3-pin connector to power the servo tester. Then, connect the servo to the tester and set it to the neutral position to center the servo. Without turning off the power, attach the servo arm and use some screws to secure it in place. Next, disconnect the servo from the tester and repeat the same process for the second servo. After that, use a 2-to-1 servo extension cable to connect both aileron servos into one connector. At this point, use the servo tester again to make sure both servos are working correctly. Then, apply some hot glue to secure them in place and manage the cables using the spare slots underneath the wing. Great job! You have successfully assembled the wing. Now, let's move on to the next lecture, where we will work on assembling the tail section. See you there!